Okay guys, so the 10 game challenge tayo guys. 1,
2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9,
10, 3, 1,
2, 4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9,
10. 1 is for
2, 4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9,
10. 10 is water. Alak.
2, 4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9.
water. 2 is for Pashnea.
Pashnea. 4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9,
water. 7 is Evictus.
Pashnea. 4,
5,
6,
Evictus.
8,
9,
water. Next. 5 is for Atayde.
Pashnea. 4,
Atayde.
6,
Evictus.
8,
9.
water.
Ay, galing.
9 is Brillante.
Pashnea. 4,
Atayde.
6,
Evictus.
8,
Brillante.
water. 8 is for what a nice.
Pashnea. 4,
Atayde.
6,
Evictus.
what a nice
Brillante.
water. 6 is hello mga kalimunin. Alak.
Pashnea. 4.
Atayde.
Hello mga kalimunid.
Evictus.
What a nice.
my God.
Alaka.
Ay, Brillante.
Wow.
Love that.
4 is 6, 7.
Pashnea. 6, 7.
Atayde.
Hello mga kalimunin.
Evictus.
What a nice
Brillante.
water.
Yeah! Okay. Thank you guys, success. So next challenge sa kanya guys, comment down below. And click
Thank
the
you.
notification bell and para palagi kayong update sa kanya. And don't forget to click the
follow.
yellow basket.
Don't forget to follow.
Don't forget to follow, like, comment, and share para palagi kayong updated sa kanya mga panibagong vlogs.
Thank you.
Bye guys, thank you.